Can I come in? What are you playing? Are you the girl?
The sorceress.
A what?
I play other characters too.
You know that meeting I had this morning? Well, Richard was there. You remember Richard, don't you? Well, he's going to be writing this article, and it just reminded me that there was some stuff that you and we just needed to talk about. Can you turn that off? Just by your own pause. Connor, can you please turn that off?
Get out. Get the fuck out.
Don't you speak to me like that. I'm just trying to talk to you. All right, stop this. Stop it. This isn't funny. Stop it.